Alright, BCA 101, Introduction to Computers Information Systems. I'm going to talk just a little bit about applications. Even though applications are key to what the users want in technology, I mean, they do the things we want them to do. Just a couple general comments here. Productivity software. That's that, you might want to call it horizontal software that allows us multiple things like word processing, spreadsheets, maybe some kind of a database, some type of presentation software. Sometimes they give us a graphic or drawing type software. And then they allow us to integrate all that together, referred to as productivity software. Earlier in the course, we talked about you can get this software proprietary, like Microsoft Office, or you can get it open source. And there's a number of packages out there. OpenOffice would be an example. Custom software. Software is designed for specific tasks. There's huge amounts of custom software, especially for when we talk about the more vertical software to design things to work for a specific industry and how they want something done, or software designed for a certain industry and adjusted. A lot of companies will design their own custom software, even though it's very expensive. More expensive than buying some software that might be out there, but they're able to get it to do exactly what they want to do within their particular industry. Sometimes that's some type of value added to that, to where the software might perform a particular task that no other company has that advantage. So it might build a little bit of a competitive edge. Just in general, apps, applications, there's all kinds of software out there you can buy to do specific things. Like you can buy QuickBooks to help you keep the books for a business and so forth. And that can kind of fall into a couple categories, but it's usually software and app. And just think of all the apps you can buy now on mobile devices to do all kinds of things. Your imagination probably can have nothing ceases to surprise us in terms of what kind of apps are designed. The gaming industry is huge. We mentioned that before. We can put that in its own category. Everywhere from testing games to developing games. These companies that develop games and distribute them. The way people buy games nowadays, a set fee and then buy for these added things to it. It's just a big industry. It's huge. Development software. They have software that helps you develop software. Like you can use a development package that will help you create an app for the iPhone or an app for an Android device. And it takes you through the steps. There are lots of different types of development software that helps you actually design software to do what you want it to do. Relationship, we'll draw it one more time. So if this is your hardware, the actual equipment, there is software that communicates with the hardware. So I like to draw a circle. So system software, or maybe more specifically the operating system, communicates with the hardware. And the same thing's true. If you have like a piece of hardware like a printer, there are device drivers that allow that to communicate with this hardware. Then we have apps that communicate with the operating system. So applications are designed to work with certain operating systems. So if you have an app that's designed for Windows 7, that app may not work, or would not work probably, on a Linux box or a Linux operating system, or a Macintosh operating system, or an app for an iPhone and iOS compared to maybe a Samsung that's using Android. And then we have users that communicate with the application. And that's it.